think I'm looking forward to this set of games more than usual because it's sort of on home ground. It puts us in, you know, in the sort of in the frame, doesn't it? It makes us important. Yeah, definitely.
I've already seen loads of tourists around, so I think it's really happy. We got loads of pink signs, everyone seems happy with it.
Ale, ale, ale! Yeah, Ryan Giggs. Yeah, it's the best.
We are Uruguayan,
With the sun.
with the sun rises.
We've got the first event, the sun's out at last, so I think, you know, everyone's going to be enjoying it.
So you know, kids, when they get the channel, they know the little dream. Every kid, every boy, every woman, every girl got their own ideas of life. What I want to do. First one, down, 2, down, 3, 4, good. Sport is a good thing, but first of all, it's not only a business, it's an actual thing that's good for the body, it's good for yourself, it's good for your health. Be fit, be fit. Leave time for yourself. Leave time for your own self, okay? To understand who you are, what you want, and do it! I made champions, my record speaks for itself, because I had a passion. It's the fact I had a dream to become something. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Be wrong every day, do it, do it.
Well, today's been about a celebration of a great man's life, first and foremost. His name's Wally Popham, and he's just stalwart of local league football in Swansea. And he's a man that was inspiring to a lot of people. The way he approached football is the way that we want this festival to be, and this is the way it's turned out today, which is, you know, for the boys to play with a lot of class. We've set up a really nice environment here, which is conducive to players learning and developing their skills, where they're safe and you know, it's okay to make mistakes.